Hello everyone, welcome back to Poppy Seed Mini. Today we'll be making rugs for the dollhouse. To start, take sticky back felt and cut out the size of rug you want. I can take a 9 by 12 inch sheet and get 4 rugs out of it. One 3 by 9 inch runner, one 6.5 by 9 inch rug, and two 2.5 by 4 inch doormat sized rugs. All measurements will be in the description box below. To make a large rug, you can use the whole 9 by 12 inch sheet. To make the runner for a kitchen or a hallway, I found this decorative print at Walmart. It comes in gray and teal. Make sure your fabric is ironed flat before you start. Take your 3 by 9 inch piece of felt and lay it on the fabric. Make sure the pattern of the fabric is centered. Draw a 1/2 inch line around the felt with a colored pencil or a chalk pencil. Cut your fabric on the line drawn. Place your felt back on the back side of the fabric and draw a quick guideline around the felt. Peel back part of the paper backing from the felt and stick your felt down on the fabric. Pull and stick a little at a time so you don't get any wrinkles. Clip the corners and use hot glue to glue down the edges. To make a round rug, use a round plate or lid to draw around on your felt. Once your fabric is stuck to your felt, clip tabs all the way around and glue them down. If you want to add a fringe to this style of rug, you can take embroidery floss and a needle. Stick it through the end of the rug, pull the thread back, knot and trim. Once you have the whole side done, use a scissors to cut it evenly across. You can also use a fine tip Sharpie and a ruler to give the rug a border design. Another way to finish the edge is stick your felt down on your fabric. I'm using the straight edge of the fabric to line up my felt piece. Cut around the edges and fray check them. Another way to make a rug with a fringe is by using a loose weaved fabric. This is a scarf I bought at the thrift store to make things for the dollhouse. Lay your felt sheet on the fabric. Cut around it a 1/2 inch on the sides and an inch or more on the ends. Stick the felt onto the fabric one section at a time. If you're getting value out of this video, let us know by hitting that like button. If you get a wrinkle, lift the fabric and press it back down flat. Glue down both of the sides and unravel the fabric on the ends to create a fringe. If you're having trouble grabbing the threads, you can use a needle to help. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Poppy Seed Mini. Be creative, try different sizes and fabrics, and have fun making rugs for your dollhouse. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And have fun crafting!